Hello friends, very good morning. Uh, we have to deal with today the words of 71st day. And before going in for the words of 71st day, let's talk about the words, the questions that I had given you in set number or day 70. Debilitated, that is quite weak in structure. Option virile, strong, manly, that is the opposite of effeminate, if you remember. Wriggle out of, that is to avoid facing something, and opposite to that is face, सामना करना. Prolific, very उपजाऊ, producing quite fast or frequently, and opposite word is decadent, that which is weak and ineffective, falling down, declining, that is decadent. Confront, सामना करना. Dodge, बचने की कोशिश करना from that. Next, the statements. There was one printing mistake over here. Powerful people try to circumvent laws. Circumvent law means सामना करने से, law को पालन करने से बचते हैं powerful people, taking advantage of weak bureaucracy. Officials कमजोर हैं, effete हैं, that is why they try to bypass the law. Quite true. Problems have made him so enervated, so weak, that he looks ineffectual in any action. कोई भी काम करता है उसमें बहुत इफेक्टिव नहीं दिखता. Very true. An infecund mind, barren, sterile, अनुपजाऊ mind, is always authoritative, हुक्म चलाने वाला, commanding. False or disconnected, you can take it either way. The corrupt try to evade paying taxes. Evade means बचने की कोशिश करना, तो वो टैक्स पे करने से बचने की कोशिश करते हैं. And potent officials, powerful officials, help them in this. No, not powerful, effective. This is false. कमजोर, corrupt officials. Potent means very effective. Wrong it is. If you are sturdy in your will, strong, robust in your will, you won't try to bypass the difficulties. तुम समस्याओं से बचने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे. Very true it is. If you are strong, then you won't avoid facing difficulties. You will face difficulties boldly. Next, now today's words. There are many. Abandon, to leave something, छोड़ देना किसी चीज को. Quite okay. Advocate, to speak or do something in support of something. किसी चीज के support में कोई काम करना. Advocate. Back, वही support के sense में. Balanced, one who is balance is okay, done. Now, in today's list, you shall be getting some very good words. There are many, but a complete almost list of somebody who is mentally disbalanced, जो थोड़ा सन के टाइप का हो, क्योंकि वर्ड्स उस टाइप का है. बामी, बैटी, इवन बरसक ऑल्सो, all these are सन की. Crazy. Betrothed, a good word, very uncommon word, a lady with whom somebody is engaged to, जिससे किसी की सगाई हुई हो, उसको betrothed बोलते हैं हम लोग. bonkers, बामी, बैटी, बरसक, bonkers, वही एकदम सन की, crazy. champion is equal to, as a verb, it is equal to advocate, समर्थन करना किस चीज का. क्रेजी, बरसक, बैटी, बामी, bonkers. Dement actually is not there. The word is demented, सनकी के लिए. And the other, dementia is noun, dement. Deranged also, mentally deranged, मानसिक रूप से असंतुलित. बैलेंस उसी का ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. Desert, that is abandon, त्याग देना, छोड़ देना. Disavow also has got the similar meaning, उसको त्याग देना, छोड़ देना. Embrace, that is to adopt, अपनाना. It has got two meanings. One meaning is hug and second meaning is to adopt something. Espousal is also equal to advocacy. That is, espouse is the word. Espouse means advocate, champion, spouse, to support something. Espouse is there. Frantic. Frantic also is somewhat crazy, batty, balmy. Insane also, crazy, batty, balmy, bonkers. Loony also, lunatic also, maniac, mental, all of them have got the similar meaning. That is mentally disbalanced. Moonstruck also. Moonstruck also has got the similar meaning. Opt for, किसी चीज को चुनने के सेंस में. Patronize, to protect something. To give protection to something. Pedal also as a verb means to support something, to support an idea. That is advocate or champion. Rational, opposite to bonkers, barmy, तार्किक. Repudiate, that is to reject. अगर हम किसी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम repudiating it, हम rejecting it. Opposite. Sane is equal to rational. Sensible is equal to rational. दिमाग से संतुलित. Sound also has got one meaning as an adjective. Sound means जैसे sound health, strong health, sound mind, rational mind, strong mind. Stable also is called sensible. Stand up for, that is means to champion, to advocate, support करना. Espouse. Wacky is equal to barmy, bonkers, batty, sunky. Wild also is equal to frenzied, एकदम सनकपन भरा. Now, look at the words. Demented, meaning behaving irrationally due to anger, distress or excitement. सनकी की तरह behave करने वाला, that is called demented. And these words almost they are exclusive. सनकी का words आपको मिल जाएगा. Insane, deranged, crazy, berserk, wild, frantic, maniac, wacky, balmy, batty, bonkers, loony, mental, moonstruck, lunatic. सबका मतलब crazy. And opposite, sane, rational, balanced, sound, stable, sensible. There it means balanced. Spouse. Spousal and spouser both are noun there. First meaning, to adopt or support an issue or belief. किसी चीज को support करना या अपना लेना. Champion, advocate, back, stand up for, patronize, embrace, opt for, pedal. Champion, that is to support or talk about something, to adopt it. Opposite, reject कर देना, नहीं अपनाना, repudiate, desert, abandon, disavow, छोड़ देना उसको. Second meaning is to be engaged to, spouse, to be engaged to, किसी से engaged होना, and that is betrothed, synonym. So today you got a very good list of the words that are either insane, the synonyms of insane, and then a good word of spouse, quite uncommon the word was, and you should revise it or speak these words a few times so that the words get acquainted to you easily. We shall be meeting with our next 72nd day words list. Thank you for being with me. Take care.